Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about what is URN, URL and URI. So I'm just creating this video so that everyone should know what is the difference between URN, URL and URI. In my office, my colleague asked me what is the difference between URI and URL. So I was like, okay, this is the basic question, but I don't know about this. So it just gave me a thought in my mind. Okay, let's create a YouTube video on this. So it might help others. Yeah, so let's start with the today's session. So basically the URI is of two types, URL and URN. So the UR here means the uniform resource, so it is common. If you will find this common in all three terms. So let's first come on URI. It is uniform resource identifier. It is just a string that identifies either by location, by name, or both. So basically, the resource identifier is of two types, URL and URN. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is a type of URI that tells you how to locate a resource on the internet. It includes protocols like HTTPS, FTP, MailTO, etc. Always includes where the resource is and how to get it. So as you can see the below example, https colon example.com. The simple and the best example will be like google.com https colon slash google.com. So yeah, so this is the locator which tells you about the location or the address of the particular resource. If we talk about URN, URN stands for Uniform Resource Name. It identifies the resource by its name in a given namespace but does not says where it is. In simple words, we can say it will not tell you the location or the address, it will just tell you the name. As you can see below are the examples of the URN. So here is the real world example of a person. I have taken a person and I will explain you what URN, URL and URI is with the help of a person. Like the person name. Person name here stands for the URL. N is stands for the name. For example, N stands for the name. It will tell you the person's name. L stands you the address or the location, the person's address or the location, and I stands for the identification. Like it includes both URN and URL. Yeah, so I hope you guys have got this with this example what URL, URI and URN means. So the last conclusion we would like to say, I would like to say, yeah, all URLs are URIs and all URNs are URIs, but URLs are not equals to URNs. So yes, thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys like this and you have cleared your concept of URI, URL and URNs. So yeah, thank you very much guys. Please like and subscribe my video